Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Xiaomi has announced the Mix 4, the first phone in the Mi Mix series to be announced in nearly 3 years. The Mix phones have always been about bezel-less designs with seamless screens, and the Mix 4 carries on that idea by commercializing a technology that Xiaomi has been working on for a long time, a selfie camera that's located directly under the screen. Xiaomi calls this camera under-panel technology, though it's similar to the under-display selfie cameras we've seen from other companies. Like Oppo and ZTE's latest efforts, the Mix 4's screen has a 400 ppi area that lets light pass through to the selfie camera, which Xiaomi describes as virtually invisible. The camera is 20 megapixels and the display is a 6.67-inch 120Hz 1080p curved OLED panel. Xiaomi says camera under panel is a technology iterated through 3 major generations, 5 years, 60 patents, a $77 million investment, and hundreds of engineers. Last year the company pledged to start mass-producing smartphones with its 3rd generation under-display camera technology in 2021, so it's making good on that promise with the Mix 4. Xiaomi first demonstrated its take on the idea back in 2019. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. The Mix 4 is the first phone to be announced with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, a speed-bumped version of the flagship 888 chip with a top clock speed of 3 GHz. Honor did already say that it would use the 888 Plus in the Magic 3, but that phone is yet to be revealed in full. The processor is paired with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB of storage. The big question here is around quality. With this tech in its infancy, results so far have been varied, both in terms of how well the display hides the camera and it's not in use, and how well the camera itself performs when you need it for photos or video calls, as it has to be able to film through the micro-diamond pixels of the display. The camera system centers around a 108-megapixel Samsung HMX sensor, suggesting similar or identical performance to the slightly outdated but still pretty good Mi 11. There's also a 13-megapixel ultra-wide and an 8-megapixel 5x periscope telephoto. The Mix 4 has a 4,500 mAh battery that can charge up to 120W wired and 50W wireless. This isn't Xiaomi's first phone with 120W fast charging, but it might be the fastest. Xiaomi claims the battery will get a full charge in under 15 minutes, compared to 23 minutes for last year's Mi 10 Ultra. 50W wireless charging, meanwhile, will take 28 minutes to get you to 100%. Xiaomi will only confirm a mainland China launch for the Mix 4 so far. Pre-orders will start there today with general availability coming on August 16th, and the pricing starts at $770 for an 8GB RAM and 128GB model, going up to $970 for 12GB RAM and 512GB. Along with increased AI capabilities of more than 20%, as well as LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1, Xiaomi Mix 4 makes it a breeze to complete multiple intensive tasks on your phone. In addition to sporting the latest chipset, Xiaomi Mix 4 performance is optimized with a unique heat dissipation structure with a combined surface area of 11,588 mm superscript 2 to minimize overheating. There are also several new energy consumption modes, allowing users to choose between peak performance, balance, or saving power. Well, that is all for now guys. Let me know what you think about this new device from Xiaomi in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.